Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the model and ensuring a backup exists. This preserves music and settings. Next, lay out tools on an ESD mat and remove any case or SIM adapter. Once done, power down the iPod fully and disconnect from power. Carefully test basic functions. Hold power, check screen response, and try a hard reset to see if software alone fixes it. If the device still fails, proceed to the opening steps with the correct screwdriver and a steady work surface. Once the screen is separated, keep screws organized by location and angle. This prevents reassembly errors. You should disconnect the battery before touching the logic board to eliminate short risk. Carefully inspect connectors for bent pins and look for liquid residue or corrosion that explains failures. If the battery is swollen or damaged, you must replace it with a compatible cell. If a connector is loose, reseat or gently clean with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure to document each step with photos for reference when reassembling. You now install replacement parts, aligning connectors and seating cables without force. This ensures proper contact and avoids damage. Reassemble in reverse order, tightening screws evenly and avoiding over-torquing. Reconnect the battery last. Once closed, charge the iPod fully and run a full functional test, including touch, audio, Wi-Fi, and syncing with your computer. If the device won't boot or shows artifacts, try a DFU restore. If that fails, check the replaced components and connections for missed debris or swapped connectors. That single misseated cable often causes failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.